honey. So today we are repairing some damaged hair. So my friend, she wears nothing but braids and she just let it grow out, grow out, grow out. And then when she actually wears it out, she think that she doing something, but no, honey. We have to clip these ends. Like, it's to the point that it's just so damaged. Everything needs to be cut at one length. So all of the uneven spots, we will just cut it evenly. This is just a video, guys, from the last silk press I did. And I didn't really show in detail me cutting her hair, straightening her hair. So I'm kind of just giving you guys a recap of that, basically. So this is what I did to my hair when I say I'm on this journey of, healthy hair growth and all of the goodness. So she jumped on board. She seen my video. She said, you know what, I need parts. So she really only came by to get her ends clipped. She did not care how much it was to be cut off. She knew she had short pieces and long pieces, so she didn't care. She just let me freestyle and do what I had to do. But I just decided to curl her up and get her silk pressy. Okay, man, get down. Get down. Oh, wow. You guys know that I am never alone, okay? KJ up here climbing up walls, guys. I'm just like, oh, wow. So please excuse him in the background. But I know you guys love baby KJ. So I hope he just keep quiet a little bit. Anywho, so yeah, she said I was being pretty extra because I did go ahead and curl her, wrap her, did the whole shebang. But for the most part, guys, I am going to clip her ends and I'm definitely going to straighten her hair before I do so because I like to straighten it before I do it so I can actually see what's going on. This is not a necessary step. If you don't use heat, you know what I'm saying, you just comb it out and do it the best way you can without the heat. I have done my hair without heat. So, without the straightening process, rather. I will probably blow dry it out and then try to clip them. But the straightening for me just helps me to actually see where's the damaged ends at. Because if you put any heat to your hair and it does not straighten and it's still bushy, that needs to be cut off. It is not healthy. It's not going to grow healthy hair. So all the braids that she been wearing, guys, her hair is long. Like, she has some long pieces, but look how it looks shredded. Okay, she has not clipped her ends in years, she said. So she's overdue. So yeah, she grew out some really good hair from the braids, but now it's like pointless because everything has to be cut accordingly to get that hair back. But once we cut these ends, it is going to come back tenfold. We are not letting none of that bother us, okay? So I told her I would have to cut quite a bit off, okay? I just started from the shortest piece in the back, and that's going to be our base. So now at this point, everything we come back down and over to this same exact base right here, and it would do nothing but give us the thickness from the top falling over that bottom piece. So it's just a journey, guys. This is the beginning for her, and the next time that she would come back, we would just literally be clipping ends and making sure that everything is intact as far as no choppy, no see-through hairs, and she wants everything thick, nice, and healthy, okay? So just watch me go ahead and clip these ends. I am working off of a base, guys. A base is using the piece before the next piece that you cut. So as I am parting, I am not parting the parts thick. I'm parting them thin enough that as I comb it down over, I can see my base through it. You see, I can see my base through that. So pretty much that's how I'm going to do for the whole head until I get everything slicked back. Okay, guys? I know y'all like, dang, she cutting off all that girl hair. But no, 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 guys. She is literally about to go and braid her hair right back up, okay? Like, there was no point for me to style her or do anything to it because she is literally about to go do her some box braids. And, she's not letting none of this bother her. So she really does not wear her hair because of how shredded it was. And, you know, she wouldn't be able to get a proper style with it like that. So she just wear her little braids and it is what it is. But now it's like she wants to get more involved with her hair. She wants to wear it more. By next summer, guys, that hair is going to be down her back. So it's not even a big thing for real. You know what I'm saying? It's just that when you have short pieces and long pieces, you could just clip ends and keep the short pieces and clip it, keep the long pieces and clip it. But then you're going to have choppy hair, you know? So whenever you do go to wear it and try to style it, it's never going to come out a style that you wanted because it's not even, it's just unsatisfying. So it's like we're just going to start her to a point where we're starting over, we're giving her hair some love, and we're just going to make sure everything is going to be equal, okay? So it's not going to be any short pieces, long pieces, everything will come together and be one length. So that's why I just went on ahead and just cut everything off evenly. It's wintertime, and this is one of my best friends. She's been my friends for over 20 years. Look at me, over 20 years. That seems like yesterday. But, you know, we don't wear our hair in the winter. We braid our hair out, wear weave, we do all of that. So it's like she's definitely not about to wear her hair period.com. So the time that her hair is tucked off, it will be eating and her hair will grow back tenfold. And then she will probably start doing, you know, a lot more silk press and wearing her natural hair. Okay, so she doesn't have to worry about thin hair anymore, basically. Messing with Kells. Okay. So here we are, guys, to a point where this hair is falling from the top of her head and is not meeting down to the bottom to connect to our base. So we're just going to go ahead and just start cutting that accordingly, okay? We're not using no base, no guide. Matter of fact, we're going to just be making a new base pertaining to that. So everything from the top now will probably fall back down to that, okay? But truth be told, it won't even be like a base thing from this point on. It's just going to be clipping whatever ends is terribly bad. And then going on from there. So we got majority of her hair evened out. As y'all can see, that cut looks good. It is very blunt. It has no layers in it. Her hair looks full. It looks thick. And it's already starting to appear healthy looking. So that's what we want. Okay. So we're not even letting that bother us that them pieces is not connecting down there because by next year they will be. At this point, guys, that right there is all the hair hanging from the top over down to the bottom, giving it more weight, okay, giving it more fullness. If I was to cut that going straight up along my fingers, it would make layers. We don't want layers. She's not trying to style it, wear it in any type of way. She's about to braid it. So we didn't do any layers and we didn't cut anything else. Everything is just straight blunt cut. Now this is just the styling process, guys. Once you done combed it down from putting the cap on and everything, you gotta kind of sometimes see she had grease in her hair, so the grease kind of helped that hair mold into that wrap. Okay, so once you get to combing it down on greasy hair, you just gotta kind of play with it and bring that curl back out because the curls has not went anywhere. Okay, so that's the point of making them so tight. They still be there, but she has no layers off in her hair, so we're finding them. Okay, we're just styling and finding curls and getting them together like that. So all she will have to do is wrap her hair up every night, and when she calm it down, just style it as desired. However, and throughout the day, for some reason, them curls just start bouncing back on their own or whatever. But I'm sitting here decorating because I'm finding the curls, I'm bringing them out, and they can't hide from me. Okay, so basically, yeah, you know, it takes a little process when you have that grease in there. It makes it more heavier. It's not flowy, but it's okay. Like I said, she ain't doing nothing about the braided. I was just being extra, trying to see how her hair looks after that cut and everything, since it was so choppy before. And she was just like, go ahead, I guess, because she really just wanted her ends clipped, and I was just being extra. So we could catch up and talk stuff or whatever. It had been a while. But anywho, you guys leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, how this haircut came out. I know it's some professionals out there, okay? All I know how to do, guys, is grow hair, okay? So it is a science to everything that you do with anything that you do, okay? And you may not know how to bust it down and break it down, but you may just know how to make your hair grow, okay? Or you may just know how to do whatever it is that you do. So this is just what I do when it comes to that. But her hair is definitely going to be growing, okay? She done had this video, guys, I ain't gonna lie, it's old. But, okay, she done had her braids in now going on a month. And she greases them every day. So I wonder if I can insert a clip on it. But I know for sure that she's rocking her little braids. She gonna take them braids out and put some more in. That's just what she does. So that's how my hair became as good and long as it was, just from wearing braids, guys. And y'all seen I needed a clipping real bad too. So it's like we just get so caught up with these braids that we don't even worry about our hair or whatever. But my hair wasn't too far gone. Hers was definitely too far gone, and we had to cut it off. So I cut mine off too, so we ain't gonna let that bother us. Mine wasn't that bad, but hey, I cut it off because I knew that I wanted everything to come back and appear thicker and all one length. I don't want no choppy areas, and I did have those as well. So if y'all jumped on this journey with us, come on now, let me know, leave me a comment, because we trying to get this little hair together for 2020, okay? By summer 2020, everything gonna be litty on this hair. We ain't gonna have to wear no weave for real. But anywho, I'm just decorating her little baby hairs or whatever, because she did want to get extra. She said since you gonna do it right. And I just gave her a little tut-tut because I know she ain't about to wear it for real. But at the end of the day, guys, this is pretty much it for this video. I hope it kind of made up for the last video when I was skipping and missing parts or whatever. That is just the purpose of this, is to kind of show you guys what actually happened and what you actually missed. Okay, so we will be having some giveaways coming through, you guys. Make sure you go check out our merch, okay? It's just sitting there. And I want you guys to leave me a comment and let me know what y'all think about the design that I have, what new design we could come up with. She killed me telling her son he can't touch her hair. Like, excuse me. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching at this point of the video. I will see you guys on the next one. The next one. Love you guys. Bye.